Are you aiming to boost your SAT math score for the upcoming August test? If your SAT math score is currently below 680, the biggest issue is likely not lack of practice, but weak foundations. If you're preparing for the August SAT, let's address the core barrier to high scores. Many students attempt to solve hundreds of questions, but if your core concepts are shaky, practice alone won't work. When core concepts aren't clear, those difficult Module 2 questions become completely overwhelming. The truth is, you don't need endless practice to achieve a higher SAT math score. You don't need endless hours of repetitive practice that leaves you feeling burned out. What you truly need is targeted preparation that systematically strengthens your fundamentals first. This approach gradually builds your capability to solve even the most advanced SAT-style problems with confidence. That's precisely why I created the SAT Math Foundation program. This program is specifically designed to get you ready for the August SAT. We will cover every SAT math topic, taking you from the absolute basics to advanced concepts required for a high score. This includes 22 live sessions conducted in a focused small group setting of only 10 students. Crucially, each week you will also take a full-length SAT math practice test. This continuous testing allows you to meticulously track your improvement and identify any remaining gaps early. If you are truly serious about improving your SAT math score before the August test, this program will give you the essential structure, clarity, and targeted practice you need to succeed. It offers the necessary framework to turn your weak foundations into a rock-solid understanding. Since we maintain small group sizes for personalized attention, seats in the program are strictly limited. Check the full program details and reserve your spot now using the link provided below.